My name is Shivaj Nopane. I am director of Ambe Group of companies. Ambe Group was established in 1982, but like I said, our steel factory started in 2008. For the initial establishment of the factory, my father was involved, and at that time we bought two 8-ton induction furnaces from Electrotherm. I came back in 2014 and we decided to open a second steel factory, a much larger steel factory in Nepalganj. And in this, our melting section was much larger. So we had to buy 75 ton of induction furnace. And for this was 25, 25, 25, three induction furnaces of 25 tons. And for this, we went with Electrotherm in 2018. And after that, for Ambe Steel, which is our previous plant, we expanded that factory and bought one more induction furnace from Electrotherm for 15-ton induction furnace from Electrotherm. So our journey with Electrotherm since we started has been very good. We are very satisfied. It's the main reason why we have, even in the old factory, when we have a Electrotherm furnace, and we still decided to go with a Electrotherm furnace, even though the spare parts would be different, and we knew all these issues. Still, because of the saving of electricity and the ruggedness of the furnace, we decided to go with Electrotherm, and we are very satisfied with that decision overall. So when we initially bought the three furnaces, our point of contact was Tiwari ji, and during the finalization, even Mr. Saxena was also involved. So our whole negotiation process was also it was fairly good. And after that, the delivery, the more or less the everyday dealing that you have. Some companies give any price just to take the deal, and after that there are a lot of problems. So we had none of that with Electrotherm. The service was good, and after they set up the plant as well, main benefit of Electrotherm over other companies, even other people told us before we bought, we asked a lot of people, they told us the furnace itself is very rugged. That's what everyone kept saying, rugged, 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 rugged. Like if you're using pellet, or if you're using in a system like a place like India or Nepal or Bangladesh, it's not very systematic. The workers are not very systematic. So in this situation, and if you're using pellets a lot, you should always go with Electrotherm because it won't hang. The furnace itself is very strong. So we listened to that, and after we bought it, our experience was the same, that the furnace was actually very strong. We have not had many major issues with the furnace. Even our contractors who work on the furnace keep saying that this is very good. And even when we see the electric consumption, it is always slightly lower than our Electrotherm plants. So for this reason, we even bought a second plant. Like I said, we bought one more for Ambe Steel as well. We're actually very satisfied with any part. Even if we ask for spare parts, that is also taken care of. Everything there, people are responsive, even service engineers are responsive, everything is responsive. So we've actually faced no issues as such with Electrotherm. And even if we expand, we have plans to expand from 75 ton to 100 ton. So even if we buy the fourth furnace, we will go with Electrotherm. Even if we expand in Ambe Steels and buy one more 15-ton furnace, we will still go with Electrotherm, because we can see the benefit in every heat. There's a electricity cost benefit that is not there in other plants. Brand tagline is Je Bansa Digo Bansa. What that means in Nepali is whatever we produce is very long lasting. Digo is a common word here that is used for anything that is very long lasting, that is very sturdy. So our product is like that. And even Electrotherm, the machinery that we bought from Electrotherm, the furnace, is also very long lasting. So we feel there's a synergy there between us and Electrotherm, and it's a very good partnership for us.